We have Ronald, again, experienced product expert, here with us to share why this is going to be fantastic for all of you as well. Great item. Welcome, Ronald.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Yes, absolutely. This is a phenomenal deal. Very, very lightweight, compact. Again, giving you I think the portability, the fantastic idea of being able to capture moments on the go, but it's high definition.
Yes, it is. And the most important thing to take away from this is the quality of the picture that you get from this camcorder is unsurpassed in any camera, up to thousands of dollars. Most people who buy high definition cameras are paying thousands of dollars for it. And Vado, has done a phenomenal job of creating a beautiful picture at a very reasonable price.
Yeah, high definition. And Vado as a company, have they been around for a while?
Vado actually helped pioneer this technology. And what happened is, as they had their initial success, they then came back and they said, marketing, engineering, how do we build on this? And marketing said, we need high definition. We need to have quality like nothing else. And the engineers said, in order to do that, what we need to do is we need to have a glass lens. We need to have the high quality, we need the quality lens.
So it's almost a professional lens that they're getting to capture the images, so they're better quality. And really, if you're capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments, maybe the first time your child has spoken its first word, you can now see this now over time. It's not going to be blurry.
Exactly. Traditional standard definition technologies, they fail. They get less clear. They get blurry as you watch them. This is in a digital format, so what happens is, as you watch it, it's the same product. It doesn't degrade with age.
And how much time do we have as far as the video footage we can cover in this once it's charged?
This camera will support over 8 hours of high definition recording, at full HD, or 8 hours at standard definition. But once you see the high definition, you'll never go back to the standard definition.
So there's a speaker in here as well as a microphone, all the software built in. It has its own connectivity. The USB is built right into it. So, for example, I take a video like we're seeing right here on this beautiful TV behind us here. We've taken the video, we've captured it live. I go right to, in fact, how do we do this, Ronald? Perhaps you could tell us, but it's instant. Now everybody can view it. You can even upload this to your websites that you could now send across the world to people so they can see your videos as well.
Correct. What you can do, first off, it comes with an HD interface, so you can record a memory and then you can share it on the TV immediately. Or you can take this and you can use this with a computer and you can upload it. And unlike other technologies, they take the simplicity that they put in this, in the camera, and they've taken it to the computer as well. You plug it in, you get a very simple, very intuitive interface that will allow you to review videos. You can upload them to your favorite photo site, or you can just email them to friends and family directly, or you can save them to your computer.
That's right. So sleek, slick design, giving you the portability. I think the function, obviously the great idea here with the Vado is actually the high definition function. But look at this. You're getting 2 hours and up, depending if you wanted high definition, you have 2 hours of record time here. Look how sleek. It's one button that you push to start recording. It has a nice big monitor that you can see here. The professional lens, which is giving you the HD quality, the high definition quality. Think about the weddings you're going to. Think about the fun days in the picnic, the park, your first puppy's walk. All the things that in life you think are so funny. That perfect, that perfect day out that you want to be able to capture, but you don't want to lug around that camcorder. That traditionally you would have had to have bought to get the technology and everything else. Very, very slick design. And as far as, I think there's a great other feature to this as far as taking the video and transferring it onto your computer and getting pictures out of it. Second-to-second pictures of a perfect scenario.
Absolutely. And this is part of, this is part of the core benefit of the Vado, because what it does is it gets you the content in the right format. Your videos are in a digital form. You can forward them, you can provide them to family, you can watch them immediately, or you can transfer them to a computer just by putting the USB cable, let's see, do I have one over here? I think I do. You just plug the Vado in, and it will pop up, the interface will pop up here. It'll take just a moment or two.
So if you do want to share, it's giving you that capability basically. It tucks right back in. It's so compact, and there we have, so we can just see a little bit more here. Goes right into you, so the USB is built right into here for you to instantly share, to instantly upload.
You know what? This is a blank one. This is, let me grab it.
We need to...
And there we are. Got a phenomenal picture.
All right, that'll be fun.
So,
interesting, at least.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, playing it back.
Take a look at this.
Is as easy as opening up.
Lightweight, too. Look at that.
Okay, well, there we go.
So it also has that other access, so if you want to plug
It's got
your
the
TV.
HDMI access, so
Right
you know,
there.
after you take the, after you record, you can share it immediately just by hooking it up to the television and hitting play.
There's me in motion. You can also change these into...
There you go.
There we go.
It's as easy as that.
All right, so now we can take that, and we're going to show, Ronald's going to show us how we actually can just plug it into your laptop or your notebook, should you wish, and transfer this. You could be in an internet cafe all the way across the world, but you want to share those memories with somebody instantly, uploading them. You can do that as well.
And this isn't necessary. You can take this, you can take this to your local grocery store, your local drugstore, hand it to them and say, I'd like you to put this on a DVD, and an hour later, they've got you all set up. So you don't need to use a computer, but the ease of use with a computer makes this that much easier. So now we have our video that we can watch. Now let's say we want, we're looking for the perfect picture, and there we are. We've got it. Now taking that picture and making that into a still snap, a snapshot is as easy as clicking right here where it says Snap Photo. You click the button, it comes back, it says what's the file name you want it, and let's see, I'm going to move this off to the desktop just so that it's easy for us to find.
And the software is built right in.
It's built right in.
It pops right up like this, folks. So this is so simple. You're going to have so much fun with this. I'm ecstatic because it's those one-moment turns, those second minutes, those seconds that you get when you're capturing that video, you can now have as a photograph and blow up, give to friends, put these on the table at a wedding, give each table one of these. I mean, and going through time. Here's some of the features as well. So the resolution, 1280 by 720, it's high definition, and we're going to see the 2-inch LCD display as well, the 8GB internal memory, so up to 2 hours of high-definition video, or up to 8 hours should you wish to scale down the definition. 2x digital zoom, and that is available on a variety of recording hours. But basically, one charge, you're getting 2 hours. The built-in microphone and speaker, you can actually capture all of the sounds that you would like. You can have that transferred onto your television screen or your laptop or notebook as well. The built-in Flexi USB connector for instant transporting and uploading, built-in software for easy transfer, as we just saw, so you can take the second by second and make those into pictures. The one-touch recording, one button to push, holds in your hand. You're also getting, out of this visit-only price, you're getting the silicone protector. The silicone protector that you're looking at right here, put it around your wrist. Take it hiking, camping, on your bicycle. Put it at the dock, at your cottage. Don't worry, though, if it should rain or go into the water, because I believe that we have something that you're going to show us, Ronald, about how this protects. This is what we're getting here with the Creative Vado today. It protects it up to how many hours of water? If you dunked it in a bit of water, if it fell in, you'd be safe.
Yeah, absolutely, you'd be safe. The Vado, the case is water resistant. You take it with you to the water park, take it to the beach, take it with you. You're not limited, because you're afraid that you're going to get damaged, and it falls in, it's underwater.
Here we go, right in the water.
And not a problem. I mean, the case is wet. You dry it off, and the Vado is still, just perfectly dry, perfectly usable, and ready to go.
Everything built in today. Create a Vado, and this is available at a beautiful price.